Okay guys, I've had this Echo 302. It's an older saw. I ended up getting it from a guy. It was in his attic and he said I can have it. It was like the best dream ever, you know. Kind of looked like this one. I had to pick this one up for a couple parts, but this is what it looks like. So Echo 302. So here's the issue. So I've done everything, cleaned all the fins out all the way around, you know, wondering, you know, everything's all clean. The sucker would run and then it would just die. Run for about 5 minutes. And, you know, a lot of shops don't mess with old saws, and they don't know much about them. So the old school guys do. I looked online and this and that and researched and didn't really get anywhere. I saw one video on YouTube and, you know, this and that. And I'm like, well, I have never taken it all the way. There's an air breather around here, around the clutch. Well, I ended up getting the flywheel off. So I took off the flywheel. See, you can't really see around it at all. So I took it off and you can already see. It's really hard to see, guys, so. But see that little area right there? I'll get it up in the sun here. You can really see it. So there is right there. There is breathers. You can see that. Let's see if I can get in there a little closer. Right there. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 5 areas that have breathers like this all the way around it. There it is again. So you got the idea. Those were clogged. I couldn't see any sunlight when I was looking through here. Couldn't see anything. So this thing was overheating and gas was boiling. I'd pull this thing, you can hear it lifting up, and it would quit on me and wondering. So I'd pull the gas cap off and look inside, and the sucker was boiling and it wouldn't run right. I had to wait until it cooled off, and then I started up and it run, and then about a couple minutes later, there it went again. So it took me a long time to get this together, and I really hope this helps a lot of people in the future. It's a nice machine. I actually put a 14-inch bar because I wanted a really small saw. Basically, I can hold it with one hand and cut anything I want. This thing is a screamer. So I will do more videos on how it runs once I get it back together. But gas boiling, it's because it's clogged. If you pick up an old saw, it's probably best. All these, you know, these aluminum cast iron, they're not cast iron, but they're aluminum. They're made to last. And all the new ones are all plastic, so they really don't hold in the heat, but the old ones do. Hope you like my video, subscribe, and I will show you when it runs. Thank you very much.